How to fix in-game performance issues in Windows 10 v1809. Here's how to fix in-game performance issues in Windows 10 v1809. Step 1. Check if you installed KB4482887 in your own Windows. Step 2. If so, you better remove the pesky update you installed. Hint: to do this, search for Windows Update Settings in Windows 10 Start menu, then select View Update History, and click Uninstall Updates at the top of the page. Step 3. Reboot your Windows. Step 4. Follow http://bit.ly/2fjbqql to temporarily prevent KB4482887 from reinstalling in Windows 10.